In this class, we will see Legendre's linear equation. Okay, a differential equation in some specific form with the variable coefficients. And the standard form of Legendre's linear equation of second order is given by a naught into ax plus b whole square into y double dash plus a1 into ax plus b y dash plus a2 into y is equal to phi of x. And to solve this equation, we need to take t is equal to log of ax plus b or ax plus b is equal to e to the power t. Then we can write ax plus b into y dash as a into dy and ax plus b whole square into y double dash as a square into d minus 1 into y. And if third order equation is given, then ax plus b whole cube into y triple dash to be written as a cube into d minus 1 into d minus 2 into y. Okay. And with this, one more equation is also there, Cauchy's linear equation, which is a particular case of Legendre's differential equation. Okay, Legendre's linear equation when a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 0. That we will see in the next video. Okay, let us solve one problem on Legendre's linear equation. Solve 2x plus 1 whole square y double dash minus 6 into 2x plus 1 y dash plus 16y is equal to 8 of 2x plus 1 whole square. Okay, when you compare this with the standard form of Legendre's, you will easily identify ax plus b form. Okay, so where the value of a is equal to 2 and the value of b is equal to 1. Okay, and now take t is equal to log 2x plus 1 or 2x plus 1 is equal to e to the power t. Then write 2x plus 1 into y dash as 2 into dy. Okay, the value of a is 2. And 2x plus 1 whole square into y double dash as 2 square into, that is 4 into d minus 1 into y, where capital D is d by dt. And now using these two lines in the main equation. Okay, so you will get 4d into d minus 1 minus 6 of 2d plus 16 after taking y outside equal to 8 into 2x plus 1 whole square, nothing but e to the power t whole square. Okay, when you simplify the LHS, you will get d square minus 4d plus 4 of y is equal to 2 into e to the power 2t. Now, this is a differential equation with the constant coefficients. So, by using this specific substitution, we can reduce the Legendre's linear equation to an equation with the constant coefficients. Okay, and now as usual, writing the auxiliary equation m square minus 4m plus 4 is equal to 0 and writing the roots. And as these two are repeated roots, you can write yc as c1 plus c2t of e to the power 2t. Okay, as d is d by dt, first you will write the solution in terms of t. Okay, and final answer to be written in terms of x only. Okay, now find out yp. Yp is equal to 2 into e to the power 2t divided by f of d, that is d square minus 4d plus 4. And if you have observed, e to the power of 2t is there in the numerator, and if exponential is there, it is a problem under type 1. And this to be compared with the e to the power ax. So the value of a is 2. And the method is putting d is equal to a in the denominator. Okay, so you will get 2 as it is, e to the power 2t as it is. In the denominator, when you put d is equal to 2, you will get denominator equal to 0. So when you get denominator equal to 0, you are taking t as a pre-multiplier and taking derivative of the f of d in the denominator. Okay, so d square differentiation is 2d minus 4d derivative is minus 4 and differentiation of constant is 0. So you will get 2d minus 4. Again, putting d is equal to a, that is 2 in the denominator. So you get, again you will get denominator equal to 0. So taking one more pre-multiplier as t, so 2t will become 2t square, e to the power 2t as it is, and differentiation of 2d minus 4 in the denominator. So it will be 2. Okay, so after cancelling 2, you can easily write yp is equal to t square into e to the power 2t. And substitute yc and yp in y is equal to yc plus yp, the complete solution. Okay, so yc and yp in terms of t to be written first, and in the next line you need to write the final answer in terms of x, that is t to be written as the substitution log of 2x plus 1. Okay, and e to the power t to be written as 2x plus 1. Okay, so final answer in terms of x only. And solve these problems at home. X values of a and x are given here, so you can easily solve. Okay.